This is a brand new candy concentrate from my buddy Tommy over at the Spray Source. This is the Alpha Candy Concentrate. Now, we've used candy concentrates on this channel before. Some of them have gone really well, some of them not so well. Today, let me show you what our project consists of. Right here, we've got our 3 series. And if you remember, this has the Metallic Madness on it, which was 5 or 6 different silver metallic pearls all mushed together, working in some kind of metallic harmony. And we're gonna drop candy over it. Now, there's 2 reasons why I'm slightly concerned about this project. Number 1, we've never put a candy concentrate over such a dark metallic finish. Usually, it's gonna be something like a carbon silver or sterling silver. Really bright, or even like a really bright metallic gold. So, a little bit risky. This second thing is, this is a new candy concentrate to us. Not all candy concentrates are compatible with our top coats. So, when we pour this in there, it's either gonna blend up really nice into a dark, deep red candy, or it's going to clump up into like an alien blob, and then that'll be the end of the video. So, I'm gonna give it a little bit of a scientific amount, DYC style, mix it, check it, take it from there. Fair?
Yes.
Let's go. Give it a little bit of this. Okay.
You do more than that.
Yeah? It's just floating. Give it a little more. Bop. Thoughts? Oh, it's a nice red. Let me mix that. Right?
It's like blood.
It is like blood. Let's see. Okay. It's either going to disperse or it's not. And it looks fine, which is huge. Now we're gonna cut this, right? Which makes it even trickier. So let me show you what we got now. The translucency of the candy is But dude, candy is one of the hardest things to clean off of your clothes and skin. So let's be careful. The translucency is everything. Too translucent and you're gonna be fighting cloudiness, and you're never gonna get that candy coverage. Too opaque, and you're not even gonna be able to see the metallic finish underneath. Be honest, I'm not sure what I'm doing right now.
It needs more.
More, got it, okay. Give it a little bit of this. I don't know. Let's see. It's a beautiful red, I will give them that. And it's not even named like cherry or candy or apple or anything, it's just straight red. Let's check the old stick. So we want to see some of the wood grain through it, but we don't want it to be too weak. More?
Well, we're going to have to do more for cutting it, because that's kind of like where we want to be.
This is the target?
Yeah.
Okay, so more.
Yeah, so double what you just did.
Well, I didn't measure it.
Feel.
Right? Okay. Okay, that was a lot. Are you serious? Well, let's do this. I'm gonna start here. And like a responsible person, we're gonna drop a coat. And then we'll gauge from there. You can always add more, but once a coat goes down with too much candy, there's no turning back. Ready to go? Let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. Now, we knew going into this that Metallic Madness is not the ideal base for a candy to go on top. Normally you want something highly metallic but bright, something that'll shine through the candy. But we did get a very unique end result. I can't wait to show it to you. We're gonna take it outside right now and you know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below and rate this one for us 1 through 5. Let us know if you love it or if you don't. And because candy is always gonna look different over different bases and colors, at the end of the video, we'll show you this new red candy over some different samples so you can get some variety. So thank you very much to Tommy for sending over this new candy. I'm sure it works amazing in automotive paint. And we're going to continue our testing to make sure that it's compatible long-term with the dipping products. And if you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, you know what to do. Head straight to DipYourCar.com. Gabe and I had a ton of fun in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. We'll see you on the next one.